Greetings.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, thanks.
Good. Morning, internet friends. I'm with my man Vusi over here. The adventure mobile for the day is C63. That's all I'm going to say about that. Today's going to be a very good day. There's a reason why Vusi had to bring out the big toys for us to come here. We are currently at Race, and this is the automobile tuning mecca of South Africa. Put simply. Vusi, what do you think about Race?
Yes. It's insane.
This place is called Race in Kyalami. If you have a couple million rand to spare, this is the place you should bring your vehicle. That's a Lamborghini Aventador.
Just so you know.
For control. So, Vusi, you're finally seeing how this lifestyle man works.
I see it.
You see it now. You just got to do fun things and then end the day off with the coffee. It's perfect. It's nothing more. Thanks very much, Chief. Something's wrong here. Vusi, why do you have the art and I don't? I'm trying to show you a good time. I'm supposed to lead by example, and that's a mess.
I can't explain.
That's a mess. That's a mess, but it's
Look how
fine.
big yours is. Like,
Yeah,
you
this
just
is
understand.
look at the size of my
Just
fist.
appreciate.
This thing's large and in charge. I'm gonna be awake for hours. This is large. This rain just pulled in from nowhere. Literally from nowhere. Oh gracious. Oh gracious. We've got to leave this place. Kyalami, it's been real, but it's time to get in this animal. Just a regular drive home.
Come on. I don't know.
You're playing games.
Are you moving or not?
You're playing games. I can't see a damn thing. No, Jins. No, bro. We've got a 500 horsepower car, rear wheel drive, and it's raining like this and we can't see. No, it's not fun anymore. Vusi, take me home, dude. Vusi, take me home. It's not.
see.
It's not fun anymore, Vusi. I want to go home.
see.
I want to go home. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. For all the surfers who think Josie doesn't have a good swell, you guys are playing games.
Good surf.
Wow. Wow. Oh man, oh man.
What happened here, guys?
Not again.
Ah.
destroying some traffic. So we just got home. That much power in the rain isn't funny. It's actually, there's no exaggeration when they say it's scary. Like, there's no genuine, no exaggeration. It's actually a bit scary. And I love speed and stuff, but that was, I've been in very, very, very scary situations. It wasn't, eh? You know, it's surprising. It actually wasn't that good of a feeling. So, Khotsa's decided to pull up to the crib. I don't know, okay? So it's a welcome surprise. It's a welcome surprise. What up, boy?
It's good.
What's good? What's really good? Are you wearing this shirt? Hi, dog.
I told you it's my shit.
It's your shirt now. Watch what this is about to do. So we need. What the? One more, please. Just one. Okay, Vusi. Simple mission to get food. Simple mission to get food. That's all it is. Vusi. Playing games with my life, bro. What a call. What a call. We got the foods. Got the foods. Vusi got the foods. Khotsa got the foods. Got the foods. Now it's time to head home.
If I get home before the movie is finished, I think I'm safe.
Yeah, you just need to drive, bro. That's all you gotta do. Safe travels. You playing games. You playing with fire. Careful with all the horsepower on the road, eh? Just be careful with all the horsepower on the road. I don't want you spinning out and stuff. No, I'm being for your safety. Okay, so I think we can all agree that I'm starting 2016 off with a bit of a bang. That's how this year is going to go. I've decided for myself that this is how this year is going to go for me. Make that decision for yourself. Yeah. Till next time, remember to love life and all the people in it you're living. No! Oh, okay, I'm calm.
To feel the